We are certainly looking forward to having the children back. We've missed them immensely. We have a new, very detailed risk assessment in place. We will obviously have stringent hand washing procedures in place. Only the staff, adults, will be in the hall. The staff will meet the children at the gate. They'll have a one-way system. They'll be coming up the hill to drop their child off and then carrying on and going round. We'll be taking everybody's temperature as they arrive. We've moved all the soft furnishings and carpets off the floor, and we'll stick to the toys and resources can easily be wiped over. The children will be in 2 groups, so a group of not more than 8 with 2 members of staff. We've divided the room into 2. Our intention is to spend as much time as possible outside. We're really pleased with the response we've had from the parents. Over 3/4 of them have said that they would like to come back. Most important advice we can give them is that if they are worried, and everybody's going to be worried, everybody's going to be nervous until we actually start, but please contact us. That's what we want to tell them. If they are worried or if they've got a question or a query, we're here to try and reassure them and make sure they feel happy about bringing their children back. Well, we're certainly looking forward to welcoming the children back. We've missed them terribly, and we can't wait to make sure that we give them a good experience and plenty of opportunities to play with their friends and feel safe and happy.